friends, our today topic is powder coating rheology. This is basically about the smoothness, flow, tendency of the powder coating. तो दोस्तों आज हमारा नया टॉपिक rheology of powder coating. So I will start. So the particle size, shape, surface characteristic, and interparticle forces that impact the powder ability to flow freely are important consideration in powder coating rheology, which is the study of how powder coating particles flow and behave under the applied forces. In essence, it examines the particles' flow ability, which is essential for correct application during the powder coating process. So, the important facts of the rheology of powder coating, the particle size and distribution. While wide fluctuations in particle size might result in problem with powder settling and uneven application, smaller and more consistent particle size often offer greater flowability. Actually, this is not the particle size, this is particle distribution. So fine, medium, and big particles, this is a combination of all the particle size. Then particle shape, because spherical particles have less surface contact and lower interparticle interaction than regular one. They often flow better. Surface features like as charge distribution and surface roughness can affect flowability by influencing how particles interact with each other. Then interparticle forces. Particularly in fine powders, factors such as van der Waals forces and electrostatic attraction can cause cohesiveness between particles, impeding flow. These you can see. These are all the fine powder. So moderate and high. So this moderate is better. Assessing the rheology of powder coating, the powder rheometer. Rheometer is the instrument by which we can check the rheology, fluidity of the powder. A specialized device that quantitatively assess the flowability of powder coatings by measuring powder flow characteristic, utilizing method such as shear cell analysis, tap density, and angle of response. So this rheometer, this I will take in another video. I will make another different video. So इस rheometer की वजह से हम जो पाउडर फ्लूइडाइज हो रहा है उसको चेक कर सकते हैं. The significance of comprehensive the rheology of the powder coating, optimizing the application process. Optimizing the application process. Manufacturers can modify powder formulation characteristics such as particle size, additives, and surface treatment to attain the required flow behavior for reliable application. By knowing the rheology properties of rheological properties of the powder. तो ये तो सभी लोग जानते हैं, अगर पाउडर की यानी फ्लो ठीक नहीं आ रहा है, उसका फ्लोडाइजेशन ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, तो उसकी पार्टिकल साइज जो एडिटिव डाल रहे हैं हम, और उसमें सरफेस ट्रीटमेंट तो एप्लीकेशन एंड पे हो गया. सो मेनली रेजिन कौन सा लें जिससे फ्लो बेटर आए, या स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है तो उसके लिए डिफरेंट हायर मॉलिक्यूलर वेट के रेजिन चाहिए. इस तरह से रेजिन, एडिटिव्स और पाउडर की पार्टिकल साइज, इन सबको मिला के हम ये रियोलॉजी को मॉडिफाई कर सकते. Preventing flaws. By modifying the powder rheology, poor flow ability can be lessened to avoid problems like sagging, uneven coating thickness, and powder accumulation on the spray gun, tip of the spray gun. The quality control. To guarantee reliable powder coating performance, rheological measurement can be incorporated into quality control protocols. By making the bulk particles of powder larger, the forces that promote movement, such gravity or pressurized air, can overcome and forces of cohesion and cause the powder particles to flow. This is the most conventional method of increasing the powder flowability. The mechanism that restricts particle movement. This is very important. This is friction. Assuming all other characteristics are the same, the particle with a smoother surface will typically have a lower frictional interaction and flow more readily than those with rougher surface or irregular surface. The interlocking mechanism is the particles, the certain shape particles have the ability to mechanically interlock and impede flow. Then interparticular cohesiveness. The contacting and nearby particles are subject to interparticulate forces. वो चिपक जाएंगे. अगर particles बहुत fine हुए तो उनके agglomeration बन जाएगा. So what is the conclusion of rheology? The powder rheology offers many different methods to analyze powders and their behavior in condition close to processing and handling conditions. In R&D, it can be used, for example, to understand how manufacturing and handling process influence powder properties and behavior, as well as to study fundamental particle mechanism. It is also ideal for quality control. There it can be used for simple and fast measurement, but it also allows running full diagnostic to find the cause of issues in case of problem during process. So rheology से हमें केवल पाउडर फ्लो इटसेल्फ एंड एप्लीकेशन में जो फ्लूडाइजेशन में किस तरह से फ्लूडाइज हो रहा है प्रॉपर, वो पता चलता है. और जो गन से पाउडर निकलता है यानी स्मूथ निकलना चाहिए. फ्लोकुलेशन यानी बार बार, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि पाउडर प्रॉपर है बट गन के अंदर जो वेंचुरी ट्यूब होती है, यू हैव टू चेक. अगर वो कट गई है, घिस गई है, डैमेज हो चुकी है, तो भी पाउडर प्रॉपर नहीं निकलेगा. देन इन दैट केस आपको वेंचुरी ट्यूब चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. और हमने बहुत सी जगह देखा है कि वेंचुरी ट्यूब की जगह सीधे प्लास्टिक के एक पाइप लगा देते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड. वेंचुरी ट्यूब का एक पर्पस है, उसका एक मतलब बिहेव करने का तरीका है, पाउडर को किस तरह से वेंचुरी ट्यूब में से निकलेगी। सो आई थिंक आज हमारा जो टॉपिक रियोलॉजी ऑफ पाउडर कोटिंग था, इसको आप लोग के फायदे का होगा। अगर आपको कुछ कमेंट करना है तो इस टॉपिक पे कमेंट करिए, हम इसको फिर और रिफाइन करके इसमें से आपको वीडियो और बना के देंगे। थैंक यू।